Good day, my learners. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's have a tutorial about GCF, the greatest common factor. The beauty of our tutorial is talking about the three methods and finding GCF. The three methods are listing method, factor tree method, and continuous division method. It's up to you where to choose of these three methods where you are comfortable and easy for you to solve. Our goal is to find the greatest common factor. Now let's start the first method. Number 1, the listing method. Find the GCF of 10 and 20. 10 can be factored by 1, 2, 5, 10. 20 can be factored by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. 20. Now let's find first the common factor. The common factor are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Among the common factor, which is the greatest common factor? Yes, the greatest common factor is 10, so therefore the answer is 10. Congratulations! The next example is finding the greatest common factor of 20 and 48. 20 can be factored by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. 48 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Again, our next step is to find the common factor. The common factor are 1, 2, 4. We find that there are only 3 common factors. So now, what is the greatest common factor among these 3? Yes, you're correct. The greatest common factor is 4. So the answer is 4. Congratulations! Now the next method we will use is the tree method. We will use the same problem so that our learning is continuous. The problem is to find the greatest common factor using the tree method. Are you ready? I guessed you are ready. First exercise is 10 and 20. 10 can be factored by 2 and 5. 20 can be factored by 2 and 10. And 10 can still be factored by 2 and 5. Again, the factor of 10 is 2 times 5. And 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. Now let's find the common factor. The common factor are 2 and 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. So therefore the greatest common factor is 10. Another set of example is 20 and 48. 20 can be factored by 4 and 5, and 4 can still be factored by 2 and 2. 48 can be factored by 6 and 8. 6 can still be factored by 3 and 2, also 8 can still be factored by 4 and 2. And 4 can still be factored by 2 and 2. Let's put it together. The factor of 20 are 2 times 2 times 5. Next for 48 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now let's find the common factor. The common factor are 2 and 2 only. There are 2 factors only, so 2 times 2 is 4, therefore the greatest common factor is 4. So therefore the greatest common factor is 4. Congratulations! Now, go to our last method, the continuous division method. Again, we will deal the same set of problem for our continuous of learning, and specially to prove that whatever methods you may use it's the same answer. The first example is 10 and 20. Now let's apply by using this method. What number can we use to divide the 10 and 20? Can we use 2? Yes, we can. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 20 divided by 2 is 10. How about 5 and 10? Can we still divide it? Yes, we can divide it by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now, can we still divide this portion? No, because 1 is already in the lowest form. Next is to find the common factor of 10 and 20. So here is the common factor of 10 and 20, which is 2 and 5. Now, 2 times 5 is 10, so therefore the greatest common factor is 10. Congratulations, my learners! For our next and last set of example is 20 and 48. Here, it is 20 and 48. Still, we will try to use 2 to divide this set of problem. 20 divided by 2 is 10, and 48 divided by 2 is 24. Can we still divide this portion? Yes, we can still divide it by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Now how about this portion? Can we still divide it? Absolutely no, because if we use 5, it cannot use to divide 12. Now our common factor is 2 and 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, our greatest common factor is 4. Congratulations! Thank you, and God bless my co-learners to your coming examination day. I hope this video tutorial is a big help for you. See you to our part 2 video tutorial about least common multiple.